So my internet went out, and so I am back. I am back, but I don't have chat, so YouTube chat control. YouTube chat. Well, looks like I'm going to be stopped out. There we go. Stopped out. Just like yesterday. Stream crash. Yeah, for some reason it was saying my internet went out. I just seen that you're saying no data coming in. The charts froze. As you can see, price did come down and get that that old stop. It did come down and get the old stop. So win some, you lose some. The thing about this is it's highly unlikely I'm going to get a setup for a while now. There's no way. It's just like yesterday, mate. When I get in, the market just turns. It is what it is. Do we have... How much you want to bet price bounces at that POC where your stop was? Let's put it this way. I'm not going to mortgage my future on it, mate. Let's just put that out there. Look at all that consolidation through there. Well, it's in an area where it can bounce. It's down at the value area low, so silver's so interesting. I wonder what the slippage was like. Oh, it wasn't too bad. I lost 67. That's a very odd commission. Commission is very odd. So with the directional nature of silver, auto draw daily. 7935. No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. Just like you said, looks like our friends over at NQ are going higher. Oh, hold on. Let's try and take that. Let's see if we can get this back the other side of value type trade. Let's see if you want to do something like that. Let's see. Let's add to that. Let's see if that other side of value trade is. Oh, it's because I added to it late. Yeah. Rabbits. Added to it late. But I tell you what, we can't be risky. We cannot risk more than we are going to gain. So 63.6. Yeah, that's about how much I'm paying commissions. Let's see if this wants to go the other side of value. Let's see. If we close outside, I'm getting out. You know what? I tell you what. We get down there, it's not going to be no good. So not the type of price action you want to see from something that's supposed to reverse. Might as well get stopped out. No, your stop goes below the low. Way down here. Let's see. Let's see if silver runs me over here. Yeah, that's the spot where he would have been a loser. Okay, NQ, just getting away. We're going to 26k today on the old NQ. But it's a tough trade because you might be forming a new value area, fair value. I just think it's, I don't know, I just don't trust it. I just think it's come back too far from the highs. It doesn't really show me the type of price action that makes me think continuation. But never know, could be wrong. So seem to be putting in some volume at the highs here on the old NQ. Now where is the account? Are we negative on the day? No, we're barely up. Hopefully a ton of buyers can come in NQ across the markets and drag our friends at silver to the upside. Looks like you're on to a winner here, mate, Ethan. What is that? 80, 70. Hopefully, but let's not get our hopes up just yet. Can still make a fool out of us. Well, it's got the target. I've just not been filled because the amount of contracts I've got on. I've just had the alert just trigger. So, oh, come on. Don't do this. Oh, I'm taking it off. It's got the target. The alert is triggered. But it's going to go all the way off, see? Huh. The alert had triggered. And I weren't filled, so I wasn't willing to let that candle close. Would have been filled there, so took more off. So we should have got what? 75. We picked up 66. Left 10 on the table. Certainly, mate. Auction market theory for the win. Auction market theory in action, mate. Oh, goodness me. Auction market theory in action. So we are up 79 on the day. The first one would have been a loser, but you forgot to put your stop below the low. Yeah. The thing about it is, if I use that default stop I was looking for, it would have been all the way down here. We have got this, oh, moved it. Because I've been in on this candle, so the stop would have been right here. But I thought, it's too frustrating, so I said, well, I'll just be aggressive with the stop, and got stopped out. Had to get back in, so took an avoidable loss. But goodness me, look at this, got playing itself out. So what would have been a long here with a target there. Well, I wouldn't take this trade anyway because it traded through the bottom of the value area. So I wouldn't even take a trade from there. Oh, that's the volume from this area over here. Look at that. We call that cheap tuition. So we've got this high volume area building up here, up at the 8135. What do you reckon? You think it's going to rotate back down? Probably. This profile still has some way to build. Let's see. How many bars have we got so far? 133. That's a pretty decent. Oh, no way. No way it's going to rotate all the way back down. Unbelievable. No way. Probably just a pullback. I refuse to believe this is going to rotate off that value area and come back down. No way that's going to do that. No way. It may. That previous PLC being above the value area high is very well with me. How he just got hammered there. He literally went up there and just got hammered. Got hammered, 33 ticks. Up, hold on. Connect. No way. Oh, I shouldn't do that on stream actually because it might crash my trading view. How much should we rotate? 45 ticks. If you took a short as it entered, as it re-entered with a stop above the high, you'd have been 3-1 already. 80, I'll do it again. Auction market theory for the win. I wonder what the value of each bar is actually. I'm going to see what the value of each bar is. About 7k. Okay. So we've got a low, a higher low again. Are we going to go and test this point of control? 17 ticks. Seems to have stalled a little bit here on our friends at NQ. Having some difficulties around that high, it seems. Well, we'll wait. Here we go. Nope, slammed it back down again at that value. Goodness me. Huh. Wicked above it and they've slammed it back down. Is that 16 ticks? 48 ticks. Oh, come on. I'll put an alert down there. There's no way it's going to do that. Surely not. No way. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding. No way. No way. Goodness me. No way. We've got this high volume point from over in this region over here. So who knows? Maybe they'll step back in or maybe not. Lol. What are your thoughts on ATO now? I still need more information. Despite all the evidence, I'm still in doubt. Golly. Wow. I guess I got a lot of learning to do. Oh, is that a new profile? It is a new profile. Okay, we got a new profile over on NQ. That's a bit surprising. How much data points was in this? Let's have a look. We had 79 bars. Whereas this one had over 200, I believe. Yeah, 233, but we had 79. Mate, it seems like AMT is the truth, mate. Being on a serious note. Oh, is it really going to come down to that 79, 78? Honestly. Oh my word, it is. Oh my. No way. He's called it out. He said once he got back inside with the point of control from that period, right there, there is a possibility that it could rotate all the way down, and that's exactly what it did. He even gave you a possible, if you missed that entry, came back up here. Are you sure you don't want to get in? There's an opportunity. Are you sure you don't want to get in? You don't want to miss a train again? Yeah, I'm sure. And then, just like that, 48 ticks to the downside. Golly. Wow. Wow. Let's theorize this. So say I got in around here. And I took it all the way down. I'd have doubled the amount. Oh my word. Unbelievable. Not unbelievable, but goodness me. AMT for the win. AMT for the win. That would have been 4-1. I believe so. Is it? No, it's not that. Wrong. It's wrong tool. Where's the risk reward tool on this thing? Da da da. Short position. So the stop would have been there. And it would have gone the other side. It would have been about 268 if we'd have put our stop above the highs, above the point of control. Would have put it above the bar highs. We'd be looking at 4.5. Let's be honest, 268, we're not complaining. At 268. Oh, wow. Okay, we got a new profile on silver. So, I don't think that profile is going to be tested. So this is a new profile. So, that is a new profile here. We made new lows relative to the old lows. Golly. Look at it. Look how perfectly it acted. My word. Ran into the high volume and absolutely dumped. It just dumped. Auction market theory for the win, mate. See, we seem to still be putting volume around the 913s on NQ. I'm gonna look to see if I can take a rejection. It's gonna go to the high again. I'm looking to take a short here. I'm hoping he gets up here, gets stuff above these, into this area here, gets stuff so I can take a short. The problem I might have is the fact that these lows down here, this entire area is my concern a little bit, that whether I'm going to get enough range here, but we'll see. He came back into value. Oh, to rotate all the way back up. Oh, wow. This NQ is such a tricky one. I'm going to take it. It could just dump from here. We've had this consolidation here. But we'll see. Looks like it may not get me in. It may not get me in. With silver going lower, is it going to drag our friends at NQ? Surely the breakout should be happening. Why is it just hanging around? Look, it's not going to the other side, the bottom held, which is real 4. Over on silver. Golly. You know what? I'm taking that off. I'm taking the NQ off. I'll just take a loss there. Rule 4. Oh, it's on the other live stream. Oh, it's getting stuffed at value. At the point of control. Wow. Where did I get out? I'm gonna have to wait for this candle to close anyway. Or if I go down to a 1 minute chart. Where did I get out? A 2075. 2075. Oh, what in the... Oh, yeah. Oh, you gotta... Oh, you gotta be kidding me. 2075. No, if you stop me out, then so be it. Oh, hold on. I can't even... I've scrolled up too much. I've not even been noticing the comments. Hold on, mate. Rule 4. Playing out silver where the extremes hold. Hold on. Where is 1%? Hold on. I need to be careful here. See, we're back inside value here. This joker could rotate. Oh, hold on. Okay. I'm looking to buy. Where is this? Oh, it's not. Yeah, it's the earlier. It's this profile over here. I'm not sure if I'm going to really want to buy this. Oh, wow, we're already in there. Because look at all this selling. With silver selling off. I'll take that. I'll take the NQ off. A lot of volumes conducted in here. So wait for NQ to set up again if it does. Where's our account? So we're about 20 off. Let's see. Price action seems a little bit weak here on the silver. Seems a little bit weak. Okay. Oh no. No. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Oh, I've just seen a comment pop up. Let me just go have a look at it. You're up like 12% already on the day. Oh, come on. Oh. No. No. I'm not taking that. You're up 12%. Let's trust this one to... Oh my word. Okay. So silver's going lower. Let's get that one. I am up 12, but I'm trying to get the daily goal of 100. Oh wow. Look at the buyer stepping in here. Come on. So we've had volume shift on this new profile. Near the... Oh, come on. Get out of the box. Get out of the box. Come on, buyers. Okay, need to go red. Yep, take that one. Hopefully we can just follow through quickly here. Up to target. Hopefully we can just follow through quickly up to target. Oh, is that target right? Yeah, where's the stop? 180. 180. Where is it? Yeah, right there. Come on, silver. Let's go. Come on. Don't turn around. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, silver. Come on, silver. Oh, fuck. Come on. Come on, silver. What are we doing? Don't turn around. Come on. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on, silver. Oh my gosh, he's fighting up here. Come on. Oh, fuck. Where did we get to? 79,250. The target. Oh, hold on, that ain't right. 79,520. The target is 79,520. Not being filled. Golly. Golly, one tick. Might have been one tick. We got all the way up there and we weren't filled. The little consolidation in silver shows the market accepted lower value. Keep it a B shape. Oh, we've just moved down. Oh, it's one tick from target, man. This son of a gun. One intake, man. Oh, price action's horrible now. It's going to go down to stop. NQ's no better. Rejecting higher prices. Hopefully the buyers from the PLC are there to hit their take profit. Oh, on here. Yeah, this joker's probably going to come clear out the lows here. I think these lows are just too tempting. But I can't move the stop, so hopefully the silver can go take out those highs, but and somewhat offset this loss over here. But we'll see. Yeah, I wouldn't have logged on NQ because it entered value. Yeah, I wouldn't have longed on NQ because it re-entered value. Oh, when it came back inside. You know what? I've taken a trade, so I'm going to have to just accept it. Oh, come on, silver. I think the both of them just trade like, if one's going down, then yeah. See, it's not holding that. Should come down to the lows. I guess I'm going to have two losers. Yeah, stick to the strategy. I was just sharing personal opinion. Yeah, market auction theory. Auction market theory. Auction market. So you're saying once he got back inside of value, that's when it just invalidated the move up. See this thing, we just keep getting lower highs. This wants to go lower. Until I see a shift of some kind, this is just going to go down to stop. Yes, I would have shorted. Charlie. 2 losses. Look at silver there. He couldn't even make a new relative high. He just got dumped on again. See, they've tried a few times here on NQ and they've been getting stuffed. I might help you remember the value area. Anything about value area high prices unfair for buyers, value area low for sellers. The new fair value is established. Yeah, because I tried to buy a breakout of the value area high. Whereas on silver, I bought as we came back inside on this profile. Let's wait to see if we get the target on silver. Let's wait to see. Come on. We've got to the level again. Come on, fail me this time. Yep, there we go. So whereas on silver, I'll wait for us to get down to this value area high, get back outside of it, and then go long. And was I stopped out here? I wasn't, I just got out. The stop would have been down here. So I took a loss. And then this one hit target. Did I take a loss? I did. Whereas this, I think this is more, I tried to get it basic. I was too aggressive. I was literally buying a higher day here. It's a higher day. We got outside value. Came back. I thought, well, let's just see if it's going to pull back and continue. But market had other ideas. There were already signs. Market consolidate through here. Buyers certainly had issues. If anything, the stop should be below this level here. But I can't put a stop that big because I'm not going to do that. That's just too big of a stop to take. So I like the silver trade. The old value area was broken, meaning it's no longer fair value. So short rule 4 is a value area high, should be strong support. But in a way, I'm thinking whether these profiles I'm putting on here are just a bit too random, because these are just simply 60 bar profiles. So it's, well, then again, I don't even know sure how it decides its plots, to be honest, because, hold on, where are we? We're up 100. So if we were to lose here, 30, we'll be up 70 on the day. It's not going to be bad. If we lose here, 45, we'll be up 55 on the day. Well, I guess it's going to be 55 on the day. Yeah, it's going to be 55. Buyers couldn't carry it higher. There it is. There you are. You can see the fair value in the consolidations, not just a few hours. Yeah, that's why I've decided to use the range chart opposed to the time-based charts, because it also helps me in terms of identifying volatility, because when the market's slower, we're going to have less profiles printed. Though the consolidations can span a few hours, but rather consistently have accurate profiles than get lucky. Let's see if I get that right. You can see the fair value consolidations, though consolidations can span a few hours, but rather consistently and have accurate profiles rather than get lucky. Let's see. No. Reset. Da, da, da. Let's get rid of that. See, like, there aren't many consolidations on this chart here. Let's get this off. Let's try and figure this out. Let's get this off. Why are the buyers? So annoying. Should have took that short there. The only issue is that it takes some practice to recognize where fair value areas are in real time. Certainly feels like it. Let's see. See, this feels like a consolidation here. I suppose we could have took the long off the So I'm wondering if this is going to go all the way down to the value area low. That's what I'm wondering. If we're going to go all the way down to the 869s. Looks like silver's going up to the upside. Yes, look at the profile you drew. It follows AMT rules. Follows AMT rules. Price used value area level support. Once it was broken, the sign of price will go down. Oh, this here. Where is it at the moment? That's outside. Let's see. See where this would go. I would head back onto how do you identify a trend in market? No, you just drew what happened to look. It looks different, huh? Which one are we talking about? Are we talking about the one on this chart, or are we talking about? No, surely we're not talking that one. Are you talking about this one on the range-based chart? I haven't drawn. The only profile I've drawn today, I think, is this one. The rest of them are automatically drawn on. Silver's done for. The other chart. So the time-based chart. All right. Oh, I see. So with this move, we broke out of value. And we came back and retested value, found support. And then we had to move up. How would I find these? I suppose there was one through here. Can't imagine we got retested on it though. Oh, we did? Huh. Imagine. We broke out of it. Came back and tested it. Oh, look at that. I use P's and B's to see the trend. Downtrends usually have multiple B's. Uptrends usually have P's. Oh, okay. Well, I can't take silver again. I've already been paid off this this area. What did we lose on the silver? 14. What are we in for real? Then notice when price accepts past value area high, it breaks the rule and goes lower. Notice when price accepts that value area high, it breaks the rules and go lower. I think my profiles might be too random. I think that's one of my problems. Hold on, let's see, what is it per? It's about 22.5. Okay. We're up 54. That's when price accepts versus value. I'll look at NQ, it came back to into value. Now it's almost the other side. What? What value is? Oh. Let's see if he goes and accepts. If he triggers me in. Let's see. Large profile and NQ price peaked above it. It came back inside. Now it's almost down. Oh, so over here. It went above and it came back inside. Let's just say we went this one. So that would have been a much greater risk reward. So we keep hanging around down here. Keep hanging around. Oh, silver's back in and back out. Doesn't. Maybe silver's gonna rot. No, it's not. Surely it's not gonna keep being bought out of this. Surely not. Well, hopefully silver finding buyers sees gold, find buy. NQ finds buyers. No way. No way. Gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my. Oh my gosh. I'm here trying to get an NQ trade and look at silver. Look at silver. And I'm here trying to get something off gold. Yes, it does. Value area high strikes again. Yes, it does. Oh, goodness me. I was convinced it was not going to work. I don't know what convinced me. I thought, well, I know what convinced me. I saw the price rounding around here. I saw the developing point of control. I thought, well, this market's probably going to roll over to the downside, but nope. It turned around and went higher. Turned around and went higher. So see, that would have been a trade that could have ended the day. I wonder why this mark is just hanging around there. What does it look like on a 1 minute chart? Oh my gosh, that looks horrible. Oh, that looks horrible. Golly. Look at all of this chopped through here. Goodness me, we've come down to these lows. And all we've done is chop. Oh, that is. Oh, that. I thought that was a bit. See, it looks a lot smoother on these range charts. So we've only got 2 bars. But on a minute chart, is a lot of bars. I am not taking this silver long. There's no way it's going to keep working. I refuse to believe it's going to keep working. It's hanging around there because fair value. Remember, the price of value says it's in value. It's a very I guess they like it there. If I just move down to these lows. Oh, silver better not. Silver is not going to get to target. You know what? It's going to stop. There's no way this is not going to stop. I refuse to believe it's going to get to target. There's no way. No way. See, that looks bearish. See, that looks bearish. That looks a bit bearish. Let's see how it works out. If silver gets to target, I'm going to rage quit. If silver gets to 79,485 before it gets to 79,220, I'm going to just rage quit. Look at silver. Look at silver. Oh, I guess the market's had enough of that range on NQ. Seem to break into the downside. You never know. Could just break, fake out and run. But we'll see. There we go. There we go. There we go. But no rage queen for me. Gone through the to those lows there on silver. Yeah, there's still buyers on silver. I don't get it. Darn, it would have been so funny if it went up again. No, it would not have been funny. It would have been funny. No, it would. It would not have been funny. It would have been funny. This guy. It would have been funny. No, it wouldn't have been funny. It would have been like those memes where those guys just get their keyboards and they just smash it up. It'd have been you'd have been watching and the stream just abruptly ends and you're thinking, oh, his internet's gone out again. So we traded through the lows and there's a point of control down there. So I guess we're getting away from that acceptance to the upside now. on the old NQ for the PC in the garbage. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Like, I look at it and think, well, look how long you're gonna have to wait to go get a new PC because you've just raged on it. And it's like, what did you gain? I think if you're annoyed, you're just better off rather than just like smash your PC. You just press the power button and just switch it off and just walk off. Be like, yeah, that's enough of that for me. See, so we broke the lows. We're heading higher. Okay. So maybe this NQ can drag our friends at silver to the upside. Seeing buyers step in here. It's too much of a fight here on silver. I'm not sure about it. It's not aggressive enough buying for my liking. The buyers are not aggressive enough. Sellers are just hanging around. Like a bad smell. So. Yeah, it looks like a P shape on NQ. A P? A P? Where you get a P from? You mean a B? Or are you talking about this whole profile here? Oh my word. You know what? You got me. Hold on. Why am I not in more? Golly. So I'm going to go in silver. Oh, sugar. Oh no. Oh no. So the buyer stepped in. Am I going to get the opportunity to get in the right amount? Yeah, if you zoom out, it looks like a P shape. At the top of the P being fair value. Oh, am I not going to be filled? Ah, you son of a gun. Golly. Ah. So random. Ah. See, this would have been a... Ah. See, this silver trade. The problem is we're coming into... I didn't get... Hold on, you said to zoom out. Okay. Oh, do you mean... Let's have a look at this. If we were to do that. Oh, I see. Yeah, it does look like a P. Came down to the value area low. Oh, come on. I didn't get all my contracts in. And we almost at target. On silver. Oh, you son of a gun. It's gone through target. Come on, fill me. Fucking fill me, man. Come on, don't mess me around. You know what? Break even on it. Come on. Come on, fill me. Let's not do this. There we go. Come on, fill. What the Phil? What the Oh, you son of a... Why am I not being filled? Oh, this thing's a son of a gun, man. What an absolute son of a gun. You know what? I'm taking it off. Oh, that's my trade gonna win. Lobsters to butter. What trade was that, mate? What trade was your trade, mate? Oh, you see, I had to get up. You see, the joke is, right? I can imagine this thing now is going to go all the way up there to that target. And the fact that I've taken it up, see? Fuck you, man. The thing is, I took it off because I thought, you know what? It's ran up there and immediately the sellers just came in and I thought, oh, I'm not going to do that. I'm not doing that today. So I took 16 rather than 19. I didn't even get any enough contracts, so I should have been picking up 32 rather than 16, but We're not going to cry and complain about it. And these trades over here, so this long, that would have got to target. This one would have been stopped out. And this one would have worked, of course. Well, it's like my extra order won't be filled on a clean winner. It's... Oh, see? Oh my gosh. Market goes up, you don't get filled, it comes back, you take it off, it goes back up again. And you know it's going to be days where you're going to think, oh, well, I'm going to do that. And it's just going to reverse and you're going to think, why didn't I take profit? You're going to be kicking yourself. Why didn't I take profit? Oh my gosh, look at silver now. Oh my word. Where are we? We're up 69. So we started at 600 and we're up at 69. So looking for 30. Okay, so we came down to the value area low and we're all the way back up at the top. Gold doing it again on the pump. Gold, let's have a look at gold. Ah, look at that. Oh my word. Look at this thing. Well, no, I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't drive the box yet because the profile isn't finished. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. So we came down, took out the lows, reverse, taking out the highs. Let's go have a look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Oh, wow. Gold is looking nice. Oh, gold looks fantastic. Look at the volumes come in. Breakout. Oh, look at NQ as well. No. Let's go back to the silver. Golly. I'll tell you what. Market comes, retest value at high. I'm putting a bullish candle. I will be looking to go long. But we'll see. We will see. NQ is about to hit take profit if you entered on the re-entry level value. Value area high strikes again. Oh no, where is the value area high on this chart? Oh, what's happened to my drawings? Hold on. I've been trading micro silver. Remember when I said the P shape? How it was higher chance of it going higher? Yeah, you did say that. We came down to the value area low of the this shape here. And certainly followed through higher. Also, I've been trading micro silver all this time. No wonder. So, let's have a look at this actually. What's a block worth on the actual silver? A block is worth 33. Oh, you're killing me, man. You are killing me, NQ. Remember what I said about P-shapes? Okay, if we win this again. Yeah. So what you'd have bought, you'd have been buying around the value area low of this P profile. You're buying in around this area. Let's see. I'll have to redraw everything. Let's see. I'm not sure. I wouldn't be doing this. That area's been traded too much. It's not a new area, so We're trading this area right here. Let's see. Yes, you'd buy on the re-entry of the value area low, stop below the low, target value area high. Okay. Copy. Looks like I was too. Comic silver ends 78.84. Oh, the silver window's closed now. Okay. Golly. Look at the entry on silver down here. How nice was that? Hold on, I've seen some of these YouTubers do. What did they do? They click on extend or something like. Oh, extend. That's what I do. Extend right. That's what I've seen them doing. You'll probably get 2 winning trades out of the P shape. You'd miss the first test of value area though, because you probably wouldn't recognize it as a P shape at that point. Yeah. The fact that this Joker is breaking out just makes me want to FOMO in. But can't do that. Instead, I'll wait. Look at silver. Okay, let's see. So if we drew it there, that's where the profile would have been. And so as time goes on, it changes. So it'd probably be in on that candle. Oh, look at this thing, man. Oh my word. Look at them both. Golly. Nice. Like 12% for today. Nice job. %. Yeah, that is true. Maybe I'm just greedy. Maybe that's what the problem is. Maybe that's my problem as a trader. I'm just greedy. I'm targeting 16% today. Yeah. Nearly 17%. Yeah, that's probably being a bit greedy. Golly. So if this was reversed, actually, let's see if we can find a B actually. Oh, we did say this was a B down here. Let's have a look at that. Da, da, da. So we use a peak around here. Oh, that value area high is too high. It says around 11.67. All right, that's it, mate. I've got to go get that 0.33%. No pressure. I know what's going to happen. One more trade. And the market's going to be like, yoink. The market's just going to rug pull. He's gonna be like Charlie Brown with the football. I'm gonna be there like, oh yeah. I'm gonna be like Cam Little or something. Well, no, I can't say Cam Little. He's pretty good. Who's been? Oh, Jake Moody. Yeah, he's been making. He missed some kicks when he was at the 49. I don't know if you watch American football. When he was at the 49ers, and he just said Kyle Shanahan, "Do lally." So that move yesterday, Power Hour Gold, was very nasty. Squeeze out of nowhere. Power Hour on Gold. Let's have a look. Let's see. Power Hour on Gold yesterday. Oh, that was. Oh, I think that was. Was that when the president mentioned that he's limiting, suggested limiting the pay for executives of weapon companies, and then he announced after that 1.5 trillion military budget for 2027, and all those defense stocks reversed. Was that yesterday? I remember seeing that. On social media. Let's see if the old value area high holds an NQ, and we can some price discovery on the upside. Yeah, I am. Hopefully that trade comes through. Let's wait. Actually, I could just put an alert down there. Let's see. Let's have a look at gold yesterday. Oh, gold had a run yesterday. In the final hour of trading. Oh, gold had a really nice run. Look at our friends over at gold. Let's see if the old value area high holds. No, the value area high is P-shape. Not the value area high in a P-shape. Oh, this value area high. Oh, this one right here. Let's have a look at it. We moved yesterday, the power hour was very nasty, squeeze out of nowhere. Or was it the breakout that they squeezed the market with? Yeah, they attacked those highs. I wonder how far we are from all-time highs on gold. We're still a fair bit away. Still a fair bit away. All the value on a P-shape. Now let's see. So ETH, a B-shaped profile like this one, there just wouldn't be any setups on. A P-shape possibly forming on silver. Guess these markets are in trending mode. No freebies. No, just draw the profile on the thick part of the B. You should have been able to get some trades. Huh? On the thick part of the B. Oh, I see. I see. So, down here. But then again, this is after the fact, so we can't use that information there. Oh, I see. Would have lost there, but certainly were some opportunities. The part of the B and the P is price discovery. It's just a path price takes to new value area. Let's go. It is a Friday. The volume just dropping through the floor on silver. Oh, I've got a new profile. Oh, funnily enough, the old value area high aligns with this value area low. How interesting is that? Da da da. I can't believe I've only been here for an hour and 30 minutes. I feel like I've been here longer than that. Oh, Czar Trader, are you still? Joe Grove. This data is officially released. I'm seeing it. Officially released 8:30 today. No, it's not that. I thought I just saw on social media they were saying that oh no, it was 8:20 Eastern. It was saying that the president made a social media post releasing a jobs report early. I don't believe that was a time that we saw the old spike in gold. Because 8:20 Eastern would have been around. No, it doesn't seem anything unusual happened on gold. Very odd. Very strange. The market is making a bit more of a sense after learning more about AMT. Personally, I think it does. So these moves are just the market moving towards the value. And after it moves to value, it then establishes. And then we can look to trade off the values, either the highs or the lows, if I'm understanding that correctly. Seeing as there's no profile on this here, but maybe, what would this look like? Hold on, where are we? Now we're not doing anything important. Let's see. Through this period here. Exactly, price moves from value to fair value. So we didn't get to value there. That range is just too narrow. That's too narrow a range to navigate. It's too narrow a range to navigate. Let's say we did here. No, that wouldn't have worked either. That wouldn't have worked either, so we do need a P's and the B's. This market's not going down to the value area though. $654,000 private sector jobs. Yeah. What is that? There's also a D shape, but I'm not as good at those. PS and BS. Oh, P's and B's, much more obvious to me. But you traded D's the same way. I'll tell you, I've been having difficulties with the P's and B's. I certainly will not be looking at the D's. I imagine the D's are probably going to be like a standard distribution. So they're going to be like that sort of thing. Okay, so we're moving higher across the board. Yeah, we're getting the end of day run on a Friday, so what's that? Oh, we're rejected. Ah, darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Ah, darn it. Oh, no. No, no, no. I need it. I need this short. I need this short. Golly. It just moved too quick. It moved too quick. It just moved too quick, man. Well, I suppose I could probably include more data now. Let's include some more data. Let's see. Let's see what will happen if we include more data. Yes, exactly. You can see the value area high held on NQ. Remember, it's a zone around value area high, not just the exact price. Hold on a second here. There is a point of control. Maybe I shouldn't be shortening up here. You know what? Let's wait. Remember to draw the profile on silver on the thick part of it. So I was looking to take the short out of this here, out of this profile, but I don't think the market's compliant. These areas are just poor. Oh, kick rocks. Are we really doing this? Okay. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Bad Phil. Shh. Golly. Can we get out for break even? Sure. Yeah, we got out for break even. Cha. Would have gone down to target as well. That's interesting. Because of that bad fill, I was like, nah, gonna get out. So we'll see if we get the value area rotation. Dang, price hit too hard there. Yeah, it's the end of day, so we do expect to see some discrepancies in terms of the fills, especially when we consider low volume and high contract size. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can get this value rotation to the upside. Because that trade would have worked, but it was a horrible fill. Horrible fill. Oh, 17 ticks, that's good enough. Golly. See, the original trade's looking brilliant now in hindsight. He even had the ability to get back in. Look at that. But it's all in hindsight. All in hindsight. Wow. You see, and that was based off this profile right here. Golly. Definitely would have hit the daily goal. Okay. Oh. Oh, wow. There we go. Long. Off the value area high. Why we're not being filled? Oh, the low volume. That's why you're not being filled. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Come on, fill me. Fill me. Got to target. What we doing? There we go. There we go. Off the value area high from this profile right here. Also, it's a value area low of this P-shaped profile. So, there we are. We should be at our daily goal. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. I think I'm going to call it there, mate. I would have targeted the new value area low. Oh, do you mean this one up here? I was going to assume you're loving... you're loving the empty. Mate. It's going to take some time to get used to it, mate. It's gonna be a while before I get a handle on it. Because I can just see myself just buying value area highs when we come back to it, and there's going to be occasions where it's not going to work. Yes, but it appears you would have lost. What if I'd have targeted the older value area high up here? Yeah, it would have gone down lower. Certainly would have taken out the lows there, but you know what they say about gift horses. Yeah, well, it appears you'd have lost. Yeah. See, there's another re-entry there. Let's see if we go all the way up there then. Let's watch the market here. Let's see, the entry would have been there. Yeah, that's all right. This Joker may flash red. We'll see. The stop would be down there. All right, since you did so good today, make sure you do a stream recap. Oh, mate. Yeah, I've been off the ball with them, to be honest. I have been off the ball. I have been off the ball. You know what? Actually, if I end the stream now, that means that... Well, actually, yeah, because I could do the... recap the editing. And I wouldn't have to sift through a lot of data. Well, I don't plan on taking any more trades anyway, so that won't be a problem. That won't be a problem. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it there. And oh wow, maybe it will go up to that value area though. Then again, you said it's just an area; it doesn't have to be the exact point. So don't have to put the footage in trades in the recap. I usually want to see the improvement and your thoughts on how you could improve. Golly, someone came with a lot of selling there. Yeah, I'm going to call it there, and I'm going to do the... Oh, hold on. I think we might get to that value area low that you mentioned there, Heath. No way. We are asking all the way up there. I'm sure it takes a lot more time to edit the actual video footage into a recap instead of just sharing your thoughts. It certainly does, because I got to add the whole trade number, and I've got to watch it back at 5x or 3.5x, and then just cut out all of the time periods where I'm not trading. So it does take a bit more time. The thing is, it's a case of me remembering it, because I had about 4 hours worth of sleep today, so my memory is going to be a bit shoddy, but I will certainly do a recap. I'm hoping that we can get up to this 70 to 730 here. I'll tell you what. We get down to 610. Hold on. Wrong. We get down to 6. Yeah, let's go 595. Let's do 590. 595. We get down to 595. I'll end the recap, or if we get to this 730. So I'll just keep it on for now. Take profit probably would have been right below the high volume node, below the value area low. High volume node. Oh, over here. You said right below. Value area low. There is a high volume node. Let me take this off. Well, 675. Anyways, it looks like it's going to get there. We're at 720. We're 2 ticks away. 730. There we are. 735. We got there. Thanks for the stream. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for stopping by, Zar Trader. Oh, that's the most recent profile. Or whatever the case is, Mr. Ethan. We did get through the lows. There would have been one loser right there. I would have came back in, and we can see there. Hold on. What is this? I don't even like the risk reward thing, to be honest. It's a long position. So our stop would have been down here. Our target would be up at 730. So we're looking at a 2-to-1 at least. So, yep, that would have worked out. Shouldn't have doubted. Mate, I'm reporting you to the SEC, mate. You're an insider and you're trading. That's what it is. You better own up to it, mate. I'm writing the email to the CFTC as we speak as well. Your confidence in yourself has been repaired. Hold on, have you ever doubted yourself, mate? You've been calling them just like on the nail on the head. Like today, especially on these NQs and silver. I know that you trade cryptos, but you certainly have been calling them correctly. Yeah, I've been here long enough. No, tell I'm so. I guess this is going to go. What is this going the other side of value? Well, I won't be here to see it. So I'm going to wrap up the video there. Thanks for stopping by, Ethan. Also, Czar Trader. And to everyone else, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day. Yes, I do that all the time. I just have to force myself to stick to this strat. Well, I suppose today is a great example of the strategy working out in real time. So, you know, we can definitely see on these instruments, on our COMEX instrument silver, our CME equities instrument in NQ certainly works.